Okay, we're going to demonstrate a Sargent Greenleaf Titan direct drive lock. It's a perfect lock for retrofitting on other electronic locks or mechanical dials. Has a standard S&G footprint. It'll fit right into most modern safes. This is a unique lock. There's no solenoid that retracts this bolt, and there's no motor that retracts the bolt. The outer ring is what will retract the bolt once we dial in the combination. The lock has been retracted. You can watch it come back out, and it locks in place. S&G direct drive. Nice lock.